Hey guys, I am Meghana. And do you remember in the before videos I told you about seeds? Yes, very good. Now you'll be thinking from where do seeds come? You all know this thing. So simple, right? Seeds come from fruits. But from where do fruits come? Fruits come from flowers. Very good, guys. You guessed it. Today we are going to learn about flowers. Over here, I have made one well-labeled diagram of a flower, and I also have some real flowers here. Can you see it? And it has some water in it, so it can keep cool and hydrated. Now, just come close and I'll tell you about all of the parts. Over here, can you see these red things? Now, everybody can know this. These are called as petals. What's the function of petals? The function of petals are that with their beautiful colors and their nice scent, they attract a lot of birds, animals, insects, bees, etc. and help in the process of pollination. Now, you all will be thinking, what is pollination? What is pollination? Just wait and have some patience. I'll come there. Now, come again here. I'm going to tell you about a part called as stamen. It's called as the male part, and it has two parts. Come here, please. Anther. Anther is the tip or head of the stamen. Can you see this over here, yellow colored? Yes? Okay. And anther is responsible for making some yellowish powder called as pollen grains. And this long, can you see this long, slender part that is attaching the anther with the flower is called as the filament. Now, these two make the stamen the male part. Now, I'm going to tell you about carpel. You will think, what is carpel? Come on, fast, tell me about carpel. Carpel is the female part. Over here, can you see this part I've made? It's like a little bit of curvy. Can you see it over here? Huh? This is called as the stigma. Now, stigma has some sticky substance which helps, from which the pollen grains get stuck on the stigma, and then they go inside. Okay, and the process when the pollen grains and the stigma, the stigma and the anther, when they fuse, the fusion of stigma. Oh my god, this has even confused me. Let me try again. The fusion of the pollen grains with the female eggs to make an embryo. Do you remember embryo? Right. To make an embryo is called as fertilization. Now come here and come here, close. Over here, can you see this part? This long part, it's called as the style. If we go deeper, we will see this nodular part. Can you see this nodular part? This part is called as the ovary. And can you see these things like eggs? These are the female eggs. They have a name. The name is ovules. Okay, and all of these things make carpel. Now, can you see this sepal over here down this green leafy structure? This green leafy structure is called as sepal. Sepal protects the ovary, and the sepal also helps in photosynthesis. Guys, now I have told you everything right over here. Oh, I forgot about one thing. Pollination, right? I forgot about pollination. Pollina- Pollination. Okay. The transfer of the pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower but of the same variety is called as pollination. Now pollination can happen by the insects, hummingbirds, animals, bees, wind, etc. Now, I have told you all of this, right? Now let me show you all of these things in the real flower. Can you see this real flower? It's so beautiful, right? Over here. Now this part, you can see over here is this whole thing is the carpel, right? And over here, this up part is the stigma. And these all are the stamens. Okay? But mostly the stamen, there are 5 stamens. Okay? Now, you want to see the ovule? Yes? Let me show you. I forgot one thing. Over here, can you see the stigma and this long part, the style, and all of these stamens? Actually, there are 5 stamens. Now, you want to see the ovules? Let me show you guys. Can you see it? No? Close up. Now? No? Sorry guys, my camera was not getting so much focus. Now can you guys see it over here? Let me just bring it little, very good. Now can you see it guys over here? Yes? Okay, these are the ovaries and some are even stuck to the knife. Can you see it on the knife? It's not my camera is not focusing, but now can you see it guys? It's on the tip. Guys, I forgot to show you the sepals. Over here, this green thing is called as the sepal, right? I just told you before. The sepal protects the flower until it's not bloomed. Bye guys.